babes, Sweet Angel here. It's time to get some nail work done here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now today's video is brought to you by Madam Glam. Their Chapter 5 Viva el GLAM collection is out, and it is inspired by Frida Kahlo. Yes, so I'll be doing my very best to create a nail art design using the 3 polishes they sent. Yes, this time I only have 3 because this collection is hot. The first one I have here is QUERIDA. I don't know how to pronounce these, but it's this beautiful yellow shade here. And I wanted to, see what I can do with this. QUERIDA. Yes, and QUERIDA, it's all about surrounding yourself with good vibes and positive energies. This bright yellow gel polish does exactly that. They also sent me DULCE, which is a Pecan nude. Hey, why not add a little neutral tone to your gel manicure? The finish is simply glamorous. You're going to see it in just a little bit. Now let's check out PASIÓN. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is like a garnet red, a strong and powerful red that will make you feel you can take over the world with no reservations. Absolutely, this is it. Why not try these out? These are amazing formulas. Y'all, they're cream formula. It only takes 1, maybe 2 coats for a flawless finish. And the curing time, of course, 2 minutes by UV lamp and 30 to 60 seconds by LED. And beautiful babes, don't forget my code for you to get 30% off of your nail polishes. Check it out. That's it. Look down in the description box. You'll find everything you need right there. Also, don't forget that you can join their VIP membership. It's as easy as ABC. If you're subscribing for the first time, just browse the site, pick the gels that you like, add them to your cart, and simply check out with VIP membership. If you are a returning VIP, just enjoy your perks and check out at 50% off each and every time. It's only $29 a month. On the first of the month, they will charge $29 to your designated card. $29 store credit is what you'll have automatically in your account to shop your favorite products on the site. And guess what? Your store credit never expires. It will be kept in your account and you can use it whenever you want. And if you don't like what you see right away, hey, you can pause or cancel at any time. And there is no fee for that. You're gonna get royalty treatment with the VIP membership. Now y'all, on to today's nail art design. Again, my nail art design is going to be inspired by Frida Kahlo, and it is, I don't know, I'm just going on emotions today. Let's get to it. Let me just point out everything that I'm using today. If I have links to it, I will link those items or describe them down in the description box under this video. I am using some items that may not be from Madam Glam, so please check out the description box for those items. And I'll be using a multitude of items. I'll be using some stickers, I'll be using rhinestones, I'll be using glitter polish, and definitely I will be using the Madam Glam Chapter 5 Viva el GLAM polishes that were sent to me. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end when I reveal the nail art design I created inspired by Frida Kahlo.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the Sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers, I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be in love? Halfway from home, I picked up my phone. I stared at your face, but it's not your tone. Saying oh hello, who are you to call me late in the night? She says I just called to say that it's here with me and not where he might be. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe.
down. If you don't take notice and come around, if you walk right past me one more time like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Whoa, show me your soul, baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. It is way, 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 way past time. How explicit do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby, baby? Your soul, and I will show you mine. Show me your soul. It's way past time. It's way past time. How explicit do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me your soul, baby, I'll show you. Show me your soul, and honey, I'll show you mine.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart.
Oh my goodness. I was so confused about what I was going to do with these nails, but I think they turned out pretty good. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to swing on over to Madam Glam. My link is below. Get 30% off your entire order. And beautiful babes, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today to watch this Madam Glam Chapter 5, Viva el GLAM, Frida Kahlo inspired nail art design come to life. Thanks again. Have a great one. And remember to keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Bye now.